have some boots, a branding iron and the need to do some sweet Studio Ghibli boots. These boots cost me £70, which is around $95, and this is my first time branding leather, so let's hope I don't ruin them. I think we need to do some practice before we get cracking on the boots. Okay, let's see how this thing works. There are numerous nibs I can use, but I think I'll just start off with a plain fine nib. Also, I've got these leather patches to practice on, and what I want to do is trial this branding iron at different temperatures to see which works best on the leather. Right, let's start off with some typical drawing exercises. These line exercises are used by many artists to warm up, and they are great for all skill levels. The idea is that all drawings are just a series of lines and shapes, meaning that this basic exercise can help improve the skills needed to produce complex drawings. I'm using the exercises to understand the difference between drawing on paper and leather. Also, don't be fooled by these simple exercises. They can be deceivingly difficult. Making a straight line with even pressure is a difficult skill to master, and it is argued that the most difficult shape to draw well is a circle. Okay, what I'm starting to notice is that each of these leathers are reacting in one of two ways. It has either charred the surface slightly or it has taken the top layer off. I've used a few different temperatures, and the only difference I can see is how quick it either chars or removes the surface. I'm reasonably comfortable with how this is working and want to get onto the most exciting part, the design of our boots. I am loving these images. I'm thinking something like this: Studio Ghibli logo down the back of each boot, one in Japanese and one in English, a larger Totoro image on the outside of the boot, and the smaller Totoros, Chew and Chibi, next to him and on the inside. Also, I think I'm going to include the cat bus on the tongue. Before I start on the boots, I do just want to check the best way of either drawing or transferring the images onto the leather. I started by fastening the images down with some masking tape, and then drawing over the images to see how well it showed up on the leather. I then traced around the markings on the leather with a tailor's chalk pencil. I then used the branding iron to go round the chalk outline. So let's give our boots a go and hope they don't just end up in the bin. Out of all the projects I've done, this has been one of my favourites. I'm really pleased with the results and can't wait to show them to you. Now, there are a few bits that didn't go perfect. The length of the branding iron meant that some of the lines are not as neat as I would have liked. And I've also caught the leather and sole in a few places. Also, I'm not 100% sure about the cap bus on the tongue. Other than that though, I am really pleased with the other characters and I definitely want to do some more of this and customise some more items, so watch this space. Okay, here they are.